Robin?
Yes.
Where is Batman?
At home.
At home. Batman is at home. Do you go to school already?
No.
Not yet. Huh? Yes? Oh, yes na daw eh. Oo. Oh, anyway, do you eat fruits and vegetables?
Yes.
What is your favorite fruit?
Hot dog.
Hot dog. That's also my favorite fruit. How about your favorite vegetable?
Chicken.
Chicken. That's also my favorite vegetable, chicken. Okay, already Ready, Region You say happy birthday, Joshua. Make it long. Ready, set, go. Happy birthday, Joshua.
Happy birthday, Joshua.
Thank you very much. Okay, your consolation prize. I'll go back to your chair.